In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and use a Notion template. Whether you're using a planner, project tracker, or budget template, this is the quickest way to add it to your own workspace. Let's get started. First, open the Notion template you want to use. This could be a template from the Notion template gallery or one shared by another creator. Once the template page opens, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see a duplicate button. Click it, and if you have more than one workspace, choose the workspace where you want to save the template. Notion will then create a copy of the template in your selected workspace. After a few moments, the template will appear in your sidebar, ready for you to edit and customize. Since it's now your own copy, you can change the layout, add or remove sections, and enter your own information without affecting the original template. If you want to keep a backup of the template on your computer, open the copied page, click the three-dot menu in the top right, and choose Export. Select the file format you want, such as PDF, HTML, or Markdown and CSV. Then click Export to download it. That's how to download and use a template in Notion. Thanks for watching.